Connor, let's have a look how you got on. Perfect. Start. £6.95 divided by 10 divided by 2. Okay, that's right. Now what you haven't done is read the question. The question isn't asking how much the cost is after the discount. It just wants to know what the discount is, which is £6.95. So you've gone too far. Alright, and you're going to be penalised for that. Okay, because you have to read the question to show your understanding what they're asking for. Similarly here, you haven't read the question. We've got 5 pupils going to the play. You just worked out the change for 1 ticket. You're not going to get marks for that. Again, you haven't answered the question. The question's asking for a percentage. You've given it as a fraction. Again, you haven't answered the question. Luckily here, they won't penalise you twice for the same thing. So because that is correct as a fraction rather than 60%, they will give you that mark. But in that first page, you have lost 1, 2, 3 marks. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks by not answering the question. Same here. You haven't shown me any workings out. That's wrong. It's only just wrong. 640 is the right answer. Because you haven't shown any workings out, you're going to get no marks. Okay? If you'd have just written down on the scale what that is and what that is, then you'd have got some marks. If you'd have shown me the subtraction, you'd have got some marks. Alright, so you have committed suicide on page 1, really. 4, 5, 6, 14 marks on that page. You got 6 of them. Watch my video clip. I explain on the video clip how to answer questions like that. They come up every year. Once you see it once, you won't get it wrong again. That's correct. This line that touches a circle is called a tangent. That is correct. This is a prism, but it's a special type of prism. It's a cylinder. If you'd have said circular prism, you'd have probably got the mark, because that is a triangular prism. So on that page you have got 3. That is 7.5. I think what you've tried to do there is join R to the midpoint. It's not saying draw a line to the midpoint of PQ. It's asking you for a perpendicular line. Perpendicular at right angles. Take your ruler, take one of the long lines and match it up to the line that you want to be at right angles to. Slide it till it reaches R. That's a perpendicular line. Put a little box on there to show that it's 90 degrees. 1 mark. You should be able to answer those. Watch my video clip, I'm sure it'll make sense to you. 1 mark for the page. Watch my video clip. Again, once you see that done once, you'll get it right every time. Those are good. That is good. This is called algebra in context. Watch how I do it on the video. Go on join the Sum Foundation tier, have a look for those and practice them. They're fairly straightforward once you practice them. That is correct. Oh, you're so close here. That is right. You're taking the 363 and you're dividing, but read the question. They've changed the exchange rate. It's not 155 anymore, it's 165. You're going to lose a mark. Okay, you've correctly put them in order. You've correctly found the middle pair. Because it's a middle pair, you have to find the middle value between those. The easiest way to do that is either to, spot it yourself, or if you add those two together to get 60 divided by 2, the median is 30. 24 is correct, 31 is correct. Have a look how I've done that on the video clip, and hopefully it'll make some sense to you. 3, 6, 7 overall. I'm guessing here you have either given up or run out of time. Either way, you need to give yourself more time so that you don't give up. Because there were questions there I'm sure you could have attempted. Okay, total for the paper: 6, 9, 10, 17, 24. 24 out of 100 is a grade G. Okay, so there's a lot of work to do there.